fragile alliance hold steady. Though Richthofen ensured our extraction from the 935 facility, it appears the group is not as fragmented as we had hoped. The test subjects must be recovered. The damage caused by their past actions must not be allowed to repeat themselves.
Landing pad activated.
You have no place in this world. I will guide you through your sleep. My solitude allows me to reflect on the questions before us. What forces does Richthofen seek to harness? Has he really changed for the better? Can the universe be saved from itself? I am uncertain. My blade will only cut down so many. I need more ammo. You wish to fight without weapons? The unnatural beast has awoken. I sense it seeks sustenance. This gift will help me honor the Emperor. You are not immortal.
Landing pad activated.
Evil has befallen many in this castle. Perhaps this child most of all. Power is a basic necessity if we are to survive.
Landing pad activated.
Every shot will find its mark.
hear from you, we feel the worst. Fear not, Dr. Grove. It is me, Edward. Any reports from the Giants suggesting my demise are erroneous.
Do you think encircling Tokyo is a wise move, foul demons? I must not yield. Not yet. Not until task is completed. My journey will not end here. Spirits are restless here, tortured by the work of our adversaries. Perhaps you breathe with the spirits of my ancestors. Begone, demon spawn! What strange and fickle fortune.
Eagle's Nest, this is Griffin Station. We have an update. Over. Dr. Grove, have you made any progress? Yeah, Doctor. The machine is ready, awaiting the conduit. Very good. I will proceed with Operation Shield and join you shortly. Security Protocol 935. No, actually. Maxis and his daughter have already been dealt with.
It appears that other souls seek to make contact with us. This is where your journey ends. Your proximity offends me. the death wish to dare touch Takeo. You are free from whatever bound you to this realm, dragon. To dare to scratch Takeo is to dare to invite death. An offering from the dragon spirit?
Richtofen, I'm observing your current actions. I must confess to being alarmed. Would you care to explain exactly what you are doing in the company of our enemies? Richtofen? Richtofen!
May you be burned from the face of this world. We will not allow you to defeat me. I have little time for your feeble efforts. Another object of unknown origin. The significance of the insignificant cannot be underestimated. I am like a magpie, collecting objects that catch my eye. Just like the spirits, the shield will protect me. Embrace death!
Teleportation successful.
Even in pursuit of same goal, I fear Richtofen hides many truths from us.
Landing pad activated.
Try swiftly, Spirit Arrow. Such gifts may come with strings attached.
Richtofen! The security feeds are somewhat alarming. What on earth is going on down there? It seems the area is no longer secure.
Too two Germans. But there can be only one. The dead have sown the seeds of their own destruction. Pain is fleeting. Your suffering is not. This is the end of you. You should have foreseen. My journey cannot end yet. I still have much to do. Peace of your eternal slumber. My arrow finds you and takes you. My supplies have been replenished. In blood! You are not worthy to touch the warrior! I do not believe we were lifted by the spirits.
I can only assume that you intend to procure Group 9355's research for your own twisted goals. Know this, my old friend. I will take whatever steps are necessary to ensure that you never leave the castle alive.
You honor the Emperor with death.
Rocket test begins. Area immediately.
Their screams will be silenced in the blink of an eye. We must vacate this area at once. Though surrounded, I know I will emerge victorious. find you and take you.
Carpenter!
Soon, the boards will be scattered like autumn leaves. Try swiftly, Spirit Arrow. Accept your fate, demon. You honor the Emperor with your death. You seek to provoke me, demon? What manner of sorcery is contained within these bottles? If I wanted to fry, I would be pirate, not warrior. This is the end of you. You should have foreseen. Unlike a bird, man was not meant for the skies.
Initiating 115.
Honor the Emperor with your death. Ancestors bring forth a generous gift.
Double point!
found favor with the spirits. May you be burned from the face of this world. You are not worthy. No, you are!